It's time for the ultimate guide to the best science fair projects for every grade level. Whether you're in 1st grade or 12th grade, we've got you covered with fun and exciting project ideas that are not only easy to do, but also have the potential to win 1st place at your science fair almost any time. So get ready to unleash your inner scientist and explore the world around you like never before. For our youngest scientists, the focus is on observation, basic cause and effect, and hands-on discovery. These projects require minimal materials and adult supervision. Growing gummy bears investigate how different liquids water, salt water, vinegar affect the size and texture of gummy bears. This introduces concepts of absorption and solutions. Experiment with different amounts to see how it changes the reaction. Volcano Eruption, a classic for a reason. Combine baking soda and vinegar to create a fizzy volcano eruption. 3rd and 4th grade, mind-blowing and engaging these projects encourage more structured experimentation and basic data collection. For example, direct sunlight, shade, dark closet to observe the impact on plant growth. Building a lemon battery, discover how to generate a small amount of electricity using lemons, copper, and zinc. This introduces basic electrical circuits. Plant growth in different light, grow seeds in various light conditions. 5th and 6th grade, stepping up the experimentation, requires proper sterile techniques and disposal. Sand, gravel, charcoal, coffee filters to create a simple water filtration system and test its effectiveness. At this level, students can design more controlled experiments, record data systematically, and draw conclusions based on their observations. Filtering water, experiment with different natural materials. 7th and 8th grade, seriously cool and in-depth. These projects allow for more complex experimental designs, quantitative data analysis, and an understanding of scientific variables. Building a solar oven, design and construct a solar oven to cook food using only sunlight, exploring principles of heat absorption and insulation, if they give permission for food. Which household cleaner kills the most bacteria? Swab different surfaces, grow bacteria on Petri dishes, and test the effectiveness of various household cleaners. 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade, advanced and rewarding. It's also about clear documentation of your process, thoughtful analysis of your results, and a compelling presentation of your findings. So grab your lab coats, put on your goggles, and get ready to unleash your inner scientist. Good luck, young scientists! High school projects should demonstrate a deep understanding of the scientific method, involve rigorous experimentation, and potentially incorporate statistical analysis or advanced concepts. Optimizing biodiesel production from algae, research and experiment with different methods or catalysts to maximize the yield of biodiesel from algae. Addressing renewable energy. The impact of microplastics on aquatic ecosystems. Design an experiment to observe the effects of microplastics on the growth, behavior, or survival of aquatic organisms, for example, Daphnia or brine shrimp. Developing a machine learning model for disease prediction. Utilize publicly available datasets and machine learning algorithms to develop a predictive model for a specific disease. Exploring computational biology. Investigating the efficacy of natural antimicrobials. Test the antimicrobial properties of various plant extracts or natural compounds against common bacteria or fungi. Designing and testing a wind turbine blade. Explore different blade designs and materials to optimize the efficiency of a small-scale wind turbine for electricity generation. No matter your grade level, remember that a winning science fair project isn't just about the experiment itself.